Last week, we talked about how when solving equations, students sometimes do more work than the standard actually requires. This week, we see that idea again in 8.EE.C.8.b, which says students should solve systems of two linear equations in two variables algebraically and estimate solutions by graphing. Solve simple cases by inspection. That last phrase matters. Sometimes students are taught that the goal is to keep manipulating the equations until they get down to a single variable or to something like 0 equals -1 or 2 equals 2. But in those latter cases, the goal isn't to produce the contradiction or identity. Those are simply indicators of whether the system has no solution or infinitely many solutions. The goal is to solve the system. For example, as the standard itself says, students should be able to see by inspection that the system 3x plus 2y equals 5 and 3x plus 2y equals 6 has no solution. Why? Because the same expression 3x plus 2y cannot equal 5 and 6 at the same time. That reasoning is faster, clearer, and much more aligned with the intent of the standard. Sometimes the most mathematical move isn't to do more algebra. It's to recognize the structure that's already there. And if work like this, interpreting the standards and translating them into instructional decisions, is something you'd like to explore more deeply, my upcoming standard summits are currently available at special pricing through Saturday. There are options for K2 teachers, 3.5 teachers, and 6.8 teachers.